Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, scanning, and repairing drives started in every time Windows starts. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type FSUTIL space. Dirty space. Query space. CCALAN. Type CHKNTFS space. /X space. CCALAN. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.